Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Shopify versus Big Cartel. So if you don't know what these two are, Shopify is a powerful e-commerce platform for businesses of all sizes, offering advanced tools to build, customize, and scale online stores. And Big Cartel is a simple e-commerce solution tailored for artists and small creators to easily sell products online with minimal setup. Now let's go over their pros and cons, starting with Shopify here. So the pros of Shopify is that it is scalable with advanced features, app store with thousands of integrations, excellent support and templates, supports multiple payment gateways, and a lot more. And the cons of it is that it has monthly fees, and those monthly fees can be high. And the learning curve is a bit high also for beginners, and some features are locked behind a paywall, and some apps also require payment. Now let's head on over to Big Cartel and go over its pros and cons. So the pros of it is that it is very easy to use for beginners, and it has a free plan available up to 5 products, and it is great for small inventories and creatives, and it has minimalist design tools. Now for the cons of it is that it has limited features and customizations, and it is not ideal for scaling businesses, and it has no built-in advanced marketing tools. So which one is right for you? So you should choose Shopify if you're building a professional scalable store, and you should go with Big Cartel for a simple budget-friendly option suited to artists or hobby sellers. And yeah, that is it. That is the difference between Shopify and Big Cartel. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.